Chinmayi and this is part 2 of the skincare routine for gentlemen. And the previous video you saw GK going through the short skincare routine, which is just the double cleanse and a moisturizer at night, whichever you might have at home. And now it is going to be a little bit of an extended routine. As you know, GK has double cleansed. We have used an exfoliating facial on his face and this goes on only once a week. And now I am going to be giving him a sheet mask. See you, bye. So I'm going to be using the B&BG's Vita Cocktail Age Foil Mask, which will probably give him some intensive lifting. Okay, I started opening it already. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this shall go onto GK's face. Next time. Ooh, this is actually pretty. Full gold. My God, I didn't expect that. So much feels, much wow. Oh, this is interesting. So I just noticed. So this is like a 2-bit. This mask is coming in 2 pieces. உன்னோட தாடிக்கு மேல இது எப்படி ஒட்டும்னா எனக்கு தெரியல.
2 pieces not enough.
Come on. So this is cold because yeah.
This is how she's torturous.
Yeah, apparently this is how I torture them, but it's okay. I like doing this. நீ பேசாத கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு.
Okay.
உன் தாடி மேல நிக்க மாட்டேங்குதுடா.
இங்க புட்டு ஒட்ட வச்சுக்கோங்க.
Okay, so this is going to be on his face for the next 20 minutes and after that I'm just going to be giving him a sleeping mask, which is like a heavy moisturizing cream, and the Kunkumadi Tailam, which a lot of you guys know. You can buy it from Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala. I'm going to be linking it down below. And so that would be the end of your 2 or maximum 3-step nightly skincare routine, and this is the extended routine. If you're looking for a little more of an extended routine, then you can always DM me on Instagram like a lot of you guys have done, and I'll be happy to share what you could perhaps buy for your skin type. Just when you're looking to start with skincare, I would suggest that you start with one thing. Start with a double cleanse. Basically just invest in a good cold pressed oil or a Nalpamaradi Tailam. Start with that for a couple of weeks, then foam cleanse, and then start adding products if you want. So that would be my point. It will be on his face. And GK has removed his sheet mask and it's been a minute and he felt it was very refreshing. Yes. After that. What did you feel? Tell.
I felt it was like really fresh feeling.
Fresh feeling, Okay, so now I have a sleeping mask and hence I am going to be giving this for him. It is the nighttime routine and this is the BRTC, wait, I am going to give you the name of this. This is the BRTC Multivita 10 System Gold Panthenol Revital Sleeping Mask. It's formulated with a combination of gold, peptide and collagen with 5.3% of panthenol and 5% of niacinamide. So this is going to give him some amount of brightness. So don't scratch your face.
Sorry, I'm just
okay.
Swiping.
Very good.
Sorry. Massaging.
Learn it. Be the metrosexual man.
Oh yeah, right. Yes.
You are my brother, so better behave yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's that. He can actually use, if you don't have a sleeping mask or any sort of a moisturizing night cream that you could use at home, you could, I really suggest that you get the Vaidyaratnam's Kunkumadi Tailam. Just put a couple of drops onto your face and go to sleep and you will wake up to really nice skin on a daily basis, in my opinion. Okay, so this is the extended nighttime routine. And it will be kind of boring if GK kept doing a third video in the same clothes. So tomorrow morning, because it really is 11:30 PM in the night, tomorrow morning he will come in different clothes and I will demonstrate the daytime routine for gentlemen with my beautiful canvas GK. Until we see you tomorrow, okay, during the next video, this is Chinmayi and this very obedient, lovely Devigamana Ganesh Karthik saying bye-bye.